Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the missing emails in your Gmail. If you haven't received any email or can't find that specific email that should be on your inbox, don't worry, we will fix this together. Let's begin. First, open your browser, go to your Gmail account, and look through the folders over this section, okay? Like for example, inbox, promotions, socials, and updates. Check every single folder, and then we can click on more over here to reveal extra folders. And don't forget to always check your spam folder. Sometimes emails hide there by mistake. If you still can't find it, click on the trash folder over here, and then emails deleted by accident stay here for at least 30 days. So you might just find it waiting for you. Another way is at the top, you can easily type in the email address or name of the sender you're looking for. So for example, Google, you have in here everything Google related, okay? Then you can easily click on the specific email and it will show up right on your screen. And that's it. You have now successfully made sure that you have checked every single folder and didn't miss anything, so you can easily spot all of your missing emails. I hope you found this video very helpful.